Contracts are down, inventory is up, and the list to sold ratio is falling. It's Friday, October 27th, 2023, and this is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday, so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. The tides appear to be turning on the shore as more inventory comes to the market. Buyer activity has slowed and prices have slipped 2.46%. That is still ahead of the rise year over year for home prices on the shore, but sellers will need to have really good data on hand to price their home correctly to sell so that they do sell quickly. There are 1,428 homes for sale on the shore, reflecting a trend of rising inventory. 106 properties are coming soon for sale, also a trend rising. 186 came to the market since last week. 61 went under contract, that's fewer than last week. 70 moved to pending, also fewer than last week. 104 sold at 97.54% list to sold ratio, and days before contract are up to 20 days. The highest price home to sell over the past week was in Easton for $3,900,000. There are 117 available rentals at a median $1,995 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, October 27th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend and any Halloween plans you may have. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week.